Hi guys, here we've got POCO C65 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First of all, open your phone the other. Then let's go to keypad. And we can start with the very short code. It is *# 06#. As you can see, this code will show you device information along with email and serial numbers. Click on OK to ASIR. This is all that this code provides us with. And another code that you can use on your phone is *#* 426 ###. And here we've got FCM diagnostic panel. Here you can see events and status. And if you wish to get a bit more knowledge, if you want to know it a bit more, just click on more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got way more info. And this is it. Let me go back. And the last code that I would like to show you on this device is *#* 225 *#*. Here we've got calendar info, so all events, all upcoming events from all calendars that are connected with your phone are displayed right here. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.